After the age of 65, there's one small habit that quietly affects your strength every single day. Most people don't notice it at first, but over time, it can make simple things feel harder. Standing up, walking, even carrying light items. And the surprising part is, it's not always about age. It's often about what your body is missing every single day. Now let's be clear, aging is natural, but losing strength too quickly is not always something you have to accept. Because one of the biggest factors behind muscle weakness after 60 or 65 is nutrition. Not extreme diets, not complicated plans, just simple daily food choices. In today's video, I'll show you 3 common types of cheese that can support muscle health when used the right way. We'll also talk about when to eat them, how much to eat, and small mistakes most people make. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a simple routine you can follow daily without stress. What's really happening? Let's understand something important. As we age, our body changes how it uses protein. When you were younger, your body responded quickly. You ate food, your muscles repaired, and maintained easily. But after 60, that response becomes slower, which means the same food does not always give the same result. This is one reason why muscle strength can gradually decline. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because your body needs a little more support. And this is where protein quality matters. Not just quantity, but quality. Before we move on, if you're watching this and you're over 50 or 60, just comment "strong" below. It helps more people find this video and builds a stronger community here. Cheese number 1, cottage cheese. Let's start with something simple, cottage cheese. This is one of the easiest foods you can include in your daily routine. It's soft, light, and easy to eat. But more importantly, it provides a steady source of protein. A small serving can give your body essential amino acids. These are important for maintaining muscle over time. One key amino acid found here is leucine. Leucine plays a role in supporting muscle repair signals in the body. Now here's something interesting. Cottage cheese digests slowly, which means your body gets a gradual release of nutrients. Instead of a quick spike, you get a steady supply. Some people find this helpful in the evening because it supports the body during rest and recovery. And no, you don't need large amounts. Even a simple portion, a few times a week, can make a difference over time. But here's something most people don't realize. Even if you eat good foods, timing can change everything. We'll come back to that in a moment. Cheese number 2, Parmesan. Now let's talk about something you probably already use, Parmesan cheese. Most people use it in very small amounts, almost like decoration. But Parmesan is different. Because it's aged, it becomes more concentrated. That means more nutrients in smaller portions. Even a little bit can contribute to your daily protein intake. Another benefit is digestion. Some aged cheeses are easier for certain people to digest. And that matters, especially as digestion changes with age. Parmesan also contains calcium. Now, calcium is often linked with bones, but it also supports muscle function. Your muscles rely on proper signals to contract and move, and calcium plays a role in that process. So again, this is not about eating more food. It's about using what you already eat a little more effectively. Quick question, do you already eat cheese daily? Comment yes or no below. I read all comments. Cheese number 3, ricotta. Now let's look at the third option, ricotta cheese. This one works a little differently. Ricotta contains whey protein. Whey is known for being absorbed more quickly by the body. That's why it's often used in protein supplements. But here, you're getting it from a whole food source. Now think about this. After any kind of activity, even light activity, your body becomes more responsive to nutrients. It doesn't have to be exercise. Even walking, cleaning, moving around counts. So when you include a protein source after activity, your body can use it more efficiently. Ricotta can fit nicely in that moment. It's light, easy to prepare, and flexible. You can eat it plain or combine it with other foods. Timing secret. Now let's come back to something important: timing. Many people eat most of their protein in one meal, usually dinner. But spreading protein throughout the day may be more effective, especially as we get older. Let's look at morning. After 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body hasn't had nutrients. So starting your day with some protein can support muscle maintenance. Instead of only tea and toast, adding something simple can help over time. Not instantly, but gradually. And that's what matters. Common mistakes. Now, before you make changes, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, balance. Some cheeses contain higher sodium, so it's important to keep portions moderate. Second, variety. No single food is enough on its own. A balanced diet always works better. And third, consistency. Doing something small, daily, is more effective than doing something big once in a while. Simple daily plan. Let's make this practical. Here's a simple idea. Morning, cottage cheese. Lunch, small amount of Parmesan. After activity, ricotta. That's it. No complicated rules, no strict diet, just simple steps. Many people believe losing strength is just part of aging. But often, it's not just age. It's daily habits. Small things repeated over time. And sometimes, those small things can make a meaningful difference. So the next time you open your fridge, take a second look, because what you choose today can support how you feel tomorrow. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing, because simple knowledge like this can help you stay active, independent, and strong for longer.